Look at me for a second. If you feel tired, distracted, behind in life, this video is for you. You're not lazy. You're overloaded. Too much noise. Too many opinions. Too little progress. What if I told you the fastest way to get ahead is to disappear for a while? This is the silent grind. This is monk mode. Every day looks the same. You wake up tired, scroll your phone, promise yourself, today I'll focus. And somehow, nothing changes. Assignments pile up. Motivation comes and goes. Burnout hits before success ever shows up. And the worst part? You feel guilty for not doing enough, even though you're exhausted. I've been there. Most students are. The problem isn't effort. It's attention leakage. Your energy is being stolen, silently. So what do top performers do differently? They don't work harder. They work quieter. Monk mode is not isolation. It's intentional silence. No unnecessary scrolling. No random opinions. No explaining your goals to people who don't care. Science backs this. Your brain has limited cognitive energy each day. Every notification, message, and comparison drains it. Monk mode protects that energy. You don't disappear from life. You disappear from distractions. Your morning sets your mental tone. When you check your phone first thing, your brain enters reactive mode. Cortisol spikes. Focus drops. Do this instead. Starting tomorrow. Wake up. No phone for 60 minutes. Wash your face. Sit quietly for 2 minutes. Write one task that matters today. That's it. One clear goal beats 10 vague plans. Small win equals confidence boost. Confidence fuels momentum. Now let's talk about the hardest part. Staying focused during the day. Your brain can only do deep focus for 90 minutes at a time. So stop forcing 6-hour study marathons. Instead, pick one subject. Set a 45 to 60 min. Phone in another room. Study like your future depends on it, because it does. When the timer ends, stop. Take a short walk. Breathe. This trains your brain to associate focus with clarity, not pain. Discipline grows when work feels controlled. You're not failing at life. You just haven't protected your mind yet. Nights are where students lose everything. Endless reels, comparisons, overthinking. Before sleep, your brain stores emotional memory. What you consume at night shapes tomorrow's mood. New rule. No social media 1 hour before bed. Write 3 things you did right today. Plan tomorrow's one priority. This builds self-trust, and self-trust kills procrastination. The most important part, the mindset that makes monk mode work. Don't announce your goals. Work in silence. Psychology shows talking about goals releases dopamine, tricking your brain into feeling accomplished before you've done anything. That's why silence is powerful. No validation, no applause, just progress. And that's okay. You need fewer distractions. Enter monk mode, not forever, just long enough to rebuild focus. Momentum, disappear for 30 days. If this hit you, like the video, subscribe for more mindset and discipline content, and share this with someone who's silently struggling. Your future self will thank you. Stay focused, stay quiet, keep grinding.